Hi everyone. Is this clear, visible? It's audible, visible and audible. All is clear. Hi Archana. I am so glad to hear. Just tell me, is it all okay now? Is it visible and audible? Yeah, okay, fine. I would like to thank you first of all, Archana, who invited me in this group, in this beautiful group, to showing my talent and share some very exciting inspiration. That is a decoupage candle. You can see the decoupage candle with natural flower, and also this is some 3D effect with those flowers. Here is another one. All are natural flowers and leaves. Hi Shraddha. You can see now. So those are different type of flowers which I have created. Also I can teach you how to make this type of dry flowers and make your project with those flowers. So are you excited to learn this? And you like those candles? Give some love, some comments, so it is motivated me. So now we will start. First we will do with some natural flowers which I collect from my neighbors and few of my garden. So this is some tiny flowers, and so you know the all flowers, it's a common. So now we'll start, and already I have made lots of dry flowers which is kept in a box. So you can see the different type of, it's a wild leaves. This is bougainvillea leaves, and this is bougainvillea flowers, and this is these flowers. From these natural flowers I have made this one. So there are different type of flowers which I made. So first what I will make, this is a plain waste cloth. It's a cotton cloth. You can take any type of bed sheet, any type of dupatta, any type of kurta, muslin cloth, anything you can take it. And what you will do, just cut the back side of the flower. This is very thick, so we can place it like way. Guys, sorry, maybe I am not attend all of your comments and queries. After over the session, definitely I will reply. each and every queries. And welcome to everyone and hello to everyone, and I am so glad to join this session with me. I love these flowers, the petals, the white colors and between the yellow shade. So always the thick part will separate. And friends, just share this, make this video watch party and share this video so more people can join here and know about this creation. Invite your friends in this group. This is very innovative group. And also you can follow my links which already have posted with this banner. So also you can get lots more ideas from my page. The Enticing Creation is my page. You can go through my YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook with the same name and get ideas. So I am detach the below part of the thickness of the stem, and now one more. This is a plain normal cotton cloth. Place it down this way. Or you can also place it upside down. And small one I am placing here. Now cover it. And we need a main instrument, which is iron. So you can make sure the iron is high temperature and just press it and press it. I am so happy and excited that you all are joining with this session. So until and unless you can make sure that your flowers are totally dry to leave their moisture. What is intact in the flowers? The natural moisture, which should be leave. The moisture won't be in the flowers. And this beautiful process also, I have got another very talented artist. She is Priya Gajjar. We all know her. So I got this inspiration from her. and this is very beautiful inspiration to make how to change these natural flowers in dry flowers. Still it is wet, moisture are available, so I need more press the flowers. Actually this is a grandmother recipe. In childhood also I have made so many things like this way, not like this way, just kept in the leaves or flowers in the book and leave it for 5 or 7 days and it will come out a different texture. But this is a 3D effect, not a flat way. This is a totally flat dry flowers which you will do with any creation, mainly the decoupage or resin art. And very carefully, all are delicate, so handle with very nicely and gently. You can see already petals are separated. I will check. Yeah. This is the most interesting invention what I have created, that why not we will make with dry flowers in a candle decoupage. We are doing lots of things with candles in different way of decoupage, but dry flowers is very unique, where everywhere the flowers, different type of flowers are available, and why we are buying from the market with high cost. This is very useful things, so definitely you should try at your home. Let's see. Still this one is already done. You can see one sec. Where is my tool? Where is my tool? It's also done. So many moistures are in the flowers, so make sure the moistures are not in the flowers. You can see how delicate it already tear up. It's also done. very simple way. In a minute you can get your dry flowers. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, Archana. But always aware from the iron. The hot iron. You can see it will broke. So delicate. It is broken. Very delicate and soft, and after leave the moisture it will become like a paper. So crisp, it is like a crisp, and always you should handle with very gently. Some part still are moisture. Hello Jyotirmay ji. Now it is ready. You can see this also. So those flowers are ready. The small one. So after make this, you can keep in a box forever and create your any project with this. Isn't so lovely? Now the main tips and tricks how to decoupage on the candle. So guys, are you enjoying? Love the process? Give some love and hearts, some thumbs up, some innovative, some motivated comments. One sec. So now we'll start. Those are the candles. So this is a little birdie candle, and this is a from Nagarsi art candle. So first I will make with one candle. If we'll get some time, then I will go with the next one. So first I will do with this candle. Yeah, Shraddha, now candles. This is a normal cotton cloth, Asha. Plain normal cotton cloth, like a kurta, or you can take it any dupatta or bed sheet or any rough cloth. I think it's very tight way they are packing this candle. I didn't understand how to open this. Actually, I am doing this candle first time with little birdie candle. Before I am doing it Nagarsi art candle, and this is very good way the creation has come out. Hopefully it will also will do better way. You can do any type of pillar candle or any size of candles you can do. So very simple thing. One candle, and this is a butter paper, or you can say baking sheet. So we'll do with this. I have some wild leaves, some other leaves. Oh, sorry, don't go here. Some other flowers. I forgot my main hatiyar, which I will do with this. This is our crafter's main stuff, that is heat gun. And also take some flowers from which I have made on today's session. So I will try to make with this. Let's see. First of all, we will, oh sorry, didn't add my heat gun. give me a sec. Just okay, fine. So now what we'll do, first we'll do place the leaves and flowers. So I am trying to arrange those flowers and leaves. So one by one we'll do. Now heat it up with the heat gun in a motion way, not in a one point. Then the candle will be melt. And take a sponge, just rub over the paper, and until you will do this process again and again, when it will not completed to decoupage on the candle. I'm just close up with, yeah, you can see now. Just close up, zoom the vision. We can keep it implanted in the on the candle. And very careful from the heat to protect your finger and hand. You can see it's already how beautifully embedded on the candle. Now we will go the side one. I am taking some this type of leaves, and this also some you can say the some wildflowers. I don't know the name. have some separate petals of another flowers, so try with this. You shouldn't use the heat gun in a wrong way or in a one point, so it will become damage your make product. Sometimes it is difficult with some thick flowers or leaves, taking some time. Otherwise thin petals will be very easily make it. Yes, Asha, this is embedded on the candle, implanted on the candle, and forever this candle, though this type of candle will be very attractive for home decor and gifting purpose. You can see this is a thick petal, so it has like a 3D effect, but I will try to more implant it on the candles. Let's see. Actually its texture is very thick, so not to be worried, it will look like a 3D effect. go here. I think the leaves will be over here and the flowers will be here, so it will completed the whole things. Are you enjoying, guys? This is very innovative ideas. You have to try it. I'm sure you all are loved it. Thank you, Archana. Thank you, Rashmi. almost done, just few minutes. Thank you so much, Kajal. Now you can see the beautiness, the simple white candle turned into a beautiful piece. Now I am covering with the upper part with some small petals. One sec, try with this. I am not covering the full part, just try to make some arrangement like this way. Or no, it's not good. This way, not perfect. almost done. So now it's completed. You can see how beautifully it implanted on the candles. A simple candle turned into beautiful, gorgeous creation with your natural dry flowers. So must try and make it for home decor or like gifting or anything. Isn't so beautiful? Now I am answering all your queries. Just ask me. Just give me a minute to flap the camera. Sorry. Yeah. One sec. Just give me a sec. Give me a sec, guys. Yeah. Tell me. Thank you. No, Shraddha, we can't light up this candle. This is for home decor purpose. If you do this, you can, but if you do this, the whole things are wasted. This is for only home decor purpose, not a lighting up. अरे यार, लाइटिंग अप तो सभी करते हैं. थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल भी यूज किया करो, गॉर्जियस वाला. These all are natural flowers which are surrounded with your house, gardens or any other place, and pick it up and make it dry process and do with this creation. And obviously you can do with these dry flowers in resin art. Who are known about the resin art, you can do with this. Yes, the video has been kept it in the group, so all are easily available and you can access after over the session. So I think it will much clear for you. And after, if you have any queries, just comment in the group and I will answer it. Or you can check my page. You can also get all updates. And also there are so many inspirations in this group. You can follow, you can watch and get inspired from there. Thank you so much, Archana, once again to giving this opportunity and giving me this, sharing these beautiful creations to all of you. I am so happy. Yeah, this is also very good idea, Shraddha. We all are making so many lighting up candles, but sometimes definitely we'll try a different things. And I am gonna must say it's very unique thing. You can try with your hand, and definitely who are doing these creations, post in this group or wherever you can post it and tag us so I can see your creations. Thank you so much. Thank you.